Hi, this is Meir from Bear Bull Traders. I want to do my recap. Today is Tuesday, August 27th. So SMJ reported earnings coming into the day or after the close yesterday, and it obviously disappointed very strong to the investors. So it gapped down like about 6% at the open. So this made my watch. It was actually my main watch, I believe. So in the pre-market, so this was my trade. In the pre-market, it was kind of choppy, but it was a big gap down. It was a gap down of 6%. So I was short biased on this stock. So coming in, started, it popped up, but it was really low volume. As you can see here on the bottom, there was nobody really trading it in the first minute. Everyone was looking to see. So I was watching closely level 2 to see like what the level is where it's gonna kind of hold and maybe sell off, where I wanted to go short. And here was the ask was at 104. Ask was at 104.48. It was a big spread. A spread of about 50 cents, and that's where it stopped. That's it. It couldn't go higher. 107. This was here in the second minute. Well, in the first minute here earlier it was like a 107.40, and then it dipped beneath 107. And I saw that it couldn't really push above this 107 level, so I took it here at 106. I got filled at 106.76. I took it short, put my stop here at 107 roughly. With slippage would be maybe even more. It was 25 cents I was risking in my head. With slippage it might have gone even more. And then bang, as you see, it dropped really strong. It's not a low float, but it has low floatish. It has like 110 float. So when it sells off, you could expect that it's gonna make a big, relatively big move. So it crushed down here. So here I got, as soon as I saw it made the big move, I started covering, and it wouldn't continue down. I wanted to look for here, so I kept on partialing as it was just hanging around. Because it was so erratic, I got very nervous and I was afraid that it's going to come right back up. So I kind of kept on going off. And then here, this is my pet peeve, where I'm afraid that it's going to go back on pullbacks. This is something I need to work on, where not get afraid, not take off a partial just because of a small pullback. Pullbacks are part of the ups and downs of trading. Just be patient and let it run. So here I got out. This was a mistake. This one this I'm upset about, this exit. And then it crushed down. This was a pre-market low. I got out some more, came back, and then again here pre-market low again. And I kept on being bought off this 105 level. Every time you see there's like a big wick. And it kept on being bought back up, so I kept on taking off here at this level because I was afraid that it might start to reverse over here. And then finally, my last little piece I got off here as it engulfed, and again it bounced off 105. So I decided that I'm going to take it all off. It was just a teeny amount, anyways. So this was my trade. I took a small share size again, taking it easy, and I risked 25 cents or maybe even 50 cents. I made $1, so that's a 4R on average per share. That's at least a 4R or even more. About a 4R, even with slippage, would have been at least a 2R trade. So it really is an excellent trade. Here you can see now, really did it move way down. I wish I could have been part of it, but I don't know. I don't hold for the long trend, especially at the open where things are so erratic. I don't really go for the trends. I go more for the breakouts. So at the breakouts I sell. Maybe I should keep it for the trends. I gotta revise maybe my strategy a little bit, where I could take advantage, maybe leave over a little bit and let it run here to see if it could do continuation. But that was my trade. Really happy, one and done. That was my day today, and I'm glad it worked out. Thank you very much for listening, and if you have any comments, leave them below, and I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible.